So I got this DJI mic with the one transmitter, one receiver, Amazon warehouse. So I got a supposedly like new product. So let's have a look. It turned out. Just got all the documentation. Looks fine. And let's see what comes in the package. So we have a twin USB-C cable that would charge both the receiver and the transceiver. Oh, we've got the dead cat 3.5, well, TRS cable, and we have a hot shoe adapter, and we've got the adapters to go onto the iPhone and a USB-C device like an Android or a MacBook. And let's look at the receivers and the transceiver. So this is the receiver. It's in good condition. That's fine. And we've got the microphone in here with the adapter, with the magnet. Very strong magnet actually. Okay, so that looks all good. The reason why I got this, because I've got the original Osmo Action and it comes with a CYNOVA adapter. Now, everyone who has this and has tried motovlogging with this adapter knows that this is basically borderline unusable. I mean, very well, and watertight, so really. Hopefully there is a solution. Because there's two reasons. One is that you can't change the gain control on the actual camera. So even after multiple firmware updates, even when you have this plugged in, so this goes in here, and if there was a microphone attached, you would expect like a pro mode, which is now on the Osmo Action 3 and 4. Unfortunately never came out the Action 1, which means when you connect it to a microphone, if you heard some of my previous videos, you'll find out that the sound's basically clipping a lot, especially when you're going over 30 miles an hour on a motorbike because of the wind noise. So when you input the microphone in here, which is I normally connect a lapel mic, it is basically coming in too hot, as they say. So the signals, it's too high, it's a hot signal which can't be turned down. So my test and my solution is potentially, after I see this, if this works or not, is to basically get a device that can control the gain. So I came across people trying to have inline gain controls in the lapel mic or the wide mic. That doesn't always work. So I was thinking a bit more of a savvy approach would to go for a wireless mic. So this transceiver should have the option to control the gain. So you'll have your wireless microphone in the helmet, and then this will then attach to the CYNOVA adapter, which means now this should be usable like this. So what I'm going to do is set this up in my helmet. So I'll have this in the helmet attached either through Velcro or this magnet. I'll have to find the best position. I'll put the dead cat on top, so that will stop any popping. So that will go onto that. This will wirelessly communicate to this. And once I've set all this stuff, I can then basically control the gain that will lower the input value for this. So that is what I'm going to try and do. So if I just put this on and just confirm if this works. I'm just going to tap through this for now. And let's see if I put this microphone on. And I think I'll probably need to do some sort of connection here. So if I was to, okay, well, it's all, that transceiver button must have done the trick. So now let's see if I connect this to the output. So it's basically taking this audio signal, receiving it into this box, and then this goes into the output, and we should see Put this back on. The microphone signal, yes. So if you notice here, there is a signal testing 1 2. So you can see there's an actual virtualizer there, and you got the virtualizer, the microphone level there. And now I've got the option. So if I go clicking on transmitter setting, oh no, I can go to leave it on mono, receiver gain. This is what I want. So I can bring the receiver down to like -11, which is great. So I can leave, let's put it on minus, I can try -6 for now, or maybe -7. Okay, receiver gain. And then if I go to transmitter settings, I can change the transmitter to a lower gain as well. We've got TX1. So let's bring that down, I think, to like -9. And we'll just go for those settings for now and see if that makes a difference. Because I don't want to totally cut out the sound from outside. You want a bit of exterior sound. You just don't want the loud noise of wind or any clipping. So let's try that and see if that gets us anywhere. And I will report back while I'm on the motorbikes. Didn't have time to put my neck warmer, so it's a bit chilly out there, out here. Yeah, so I've positioned the mic quite close to my point, my mouth, so it might be peaking. I'm not too sure at the moment, but we'll see when we get the audio back. Wow, that's really bright. What's it saying here? 60 miles an hour and 0.5 miles. We need to start turning, so let's make a maneuver.